In this video, you'll learn how to set up your Notion app effectively. This guide will walk you through the steps to customize your Notion workspace to fit your needs and preferences. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Once you arrive at the home page, you will see options to log in or sign up if you do not have an account yet. Ensure you are logged in to continue with the setup process. Next, locate the add icon, which is typically represented by a plus sign. Clicking this icon allows you to create a new page within your Notion workspace. After selecting this option, a new blank page will be created for you to customize. After this, you will want to click on the icons option. This feature allows you to choose an icon that visually represents the page you are creating. A variety of icons will appear for your selection, making it easier to identify your pages at a glance. Now, click on the specific icon you wish to use. Once selected, the icon will be applied to your new page, providing a personalized touch. You can also change the icon at any time by repeating this step. Following this, you will want to choose a color for the selected icon. Click on the color options displayed below the icon and pick a color that matches your branding or personal preference. This step enhances the visual appeal of your Notion setup. Once you have set your icon and color, click on a blank space on your page. This action confirms your selections and allows you to proceed with additional customizations. You should now see your icon and color reflected in the page header. Next, locate the Add Cover option. Clicking this will allow you to select a cover image for your page, which adds another layer of personalization. A selection of images will appear, giving you the opportunity to choose one that fits your theme. Proceed by clicking on the title of the page. This is where you will enter the name for your new page. Type in a meaningful title that reflects the content or purpose of the page. Following this, click on a blank space again to confirm the title. This action will finalize the setup for the page name, making it visible on your workspace. Now type /to-do list in the blank space. This command will trigger Notion to create a to-do list block, allowing you to manage tasks directly on this page. This feature is essential for organizing your work efficiently. After that, click on Sample To from the options that appear. This selection will insert a sample to-do list into your page, providing a template you can customize further. Next, type /image in the blank space to add an image block. This command opens up options for inserting images into your page, enriching the visual aspect of your content. Click on Image from the options that appear. This action will prompt you to upload an image or select one from the available options in Notion. After this, click on Unsplash to access a library of free images. This resource can be useful for finding high-quality visuals that enhance your Notion pages. Choose an image you want from the Unsplash library. This selection will be inserted into your page, adding visual interest and context to your content. Next, click on Add New Page to create another page within your Notion workspace. This allows you to expand your setup and organize different areas of your work. After that, click on the Add icon, again, to customize this new page. Repeat the earlier steps to set up this page with an icon and cover. Then click on Icons to select an icon for this new page. Choose one that is relevant to the content of this page for easy identification. Now click on the same icon you selected previously for consistency. This helps maintain a uniform look across your Notion workspace. Choose a color for the icon that aligns with your overall theme. This step is important for keeping your workspace visually cohesive. Next, click on Add Cover to select a cover image for this new page. This enhances the visual appeal and helps differentiate it from other pages. After this, click on the title of the page to enter its name. Ensure this title is descriptive enough for easy reference later. Type in database as the name for this page. This will identify it clearly as a database page within your workspace. Click on a blank space to confirm the title. This step ensures your changes are saved and visible within your Notion setup. Now type /database to bring up the database creation options. This powerful feature allows you to organize and manage information effectively. Click on Database Inline from the options that appear. This selection creates an inline database that can be integrated seamlessly into your page. Next, click on Tasks Tracker to select a template that enhances your database functionality. This can make managing tasks more engaging and efficient. Finally, click on Get Started to finalize your database setup. This action will guide you through the process of customizing your database according to your needs. Conclude by clicking on Done to save all your changes. This step confirms that your new setup is complete and ready for use. Lastly, click on Task Name to access your new database and start populating it with tasks. You have now successfully completed the setup of your Notion app. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.